Wistia is a cloud-based video hosting and analytics platform primarily used for business marketing, training, and communication. Downloading or exporting videos is generally restricted to maintain content security and copyright compliance. As of 2025, downloading is mainly available to account holders with admin or editor roles via the Wistia dashboard. Public users and those with viewer permissions cannot directly download videos unless the uploader enables it via embed codes or shareable links. Download refers to retrieving the raw video file, while export involves using APIs or integrations to move content to external platforms. Videos can be downloaded in original quality or transcoded versions, with formats including MP4, WebM, and HLS for adaptive streaming. Permissions are key to understanding Wistia's download capabilities. Only users with owner, admin, or editor roles can download or export videos. Viewer roles are restricted to viewing only, no downloads allowed. For shared videos, permissions can be set per link, allowing temporary downloads but with expiration limits. If you're having trouble downloading, ensure you have the appropriate role or contact your account administrator to request necessary permissions. If you possess the necessary permissions, downloading videos directly from the Wistia dashboard is straightforward. First, ensure you have the required permissions, such as admin or editor roles in your Wistia account. Log into your Wistia account using your credentials. Navigate to the media library in your dashboard where your videos are stored. Select the video you want to download from your library. Click the download option, usually found in the video's settings or options menu. You may be presented with quality options such as original, 720p, or 1080p. Choose your preferred quality. Initiate the download. Note that free accounts have download restrictions, requiring a basic or higher paid plan for full access. For more advanced users or those needing to download multiple videos, Wistia's RESTful API provides granular control. Recent API enhancements from late 2024 allow bulk downloads and integration with third-party tools like Zapier or custom scripts, enabling automated workflows. Use the API endpoint, such as getmedia/id/download, to programmatically download videos. This method is particularly useful for enterprises managing large video libraries. Wistia prioritizes video security to protect intellectual property and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. All downloads are secured with unique URLs that automatically expire after a set time, preventing unauthorized sharing and ensuring only authorized users can access the content. In response to data protection regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, Wistia may automatically apply watermarks to exported video files. This feature can be disabled by administrators and helps protect intellectual property while ensuring compliance. Recent trends in Wistia include AI-assisted video processing. This technology automatically optimizes exported videos for different devices, such as applying mobile-first compression to ensure smooth playback on smartphones and tablets. This automation reduces the need for manual adjustments and saves time for users. Another key trend is interoperability with broader video ecosystems. Wistia increasingly integrates with platforms like Google Workspace, allowing direct exports to Google Drive for easy storage and sharing. It also connects with design tools like Canva for enhanced video editing and customization. This shift transforms video downloads into seamless parts of a larger workflow pipeline. Real-world case studies demonstrate how organizations leverage Wistia's download and export capabilities. HubSpot, a marketing platform partner, exported over 500 videos through the Wistia API for archival in their customer relationship management system. This automated approach reduced manual downloads by 70% and enhanced compliance tracking for their marketing content. The University of Michigan exported Wistia-hosted lecture videos to local servers for offline access during campus disruptions. Using permission-based links, only faculty members could securely download the content, ensuring controlled distribution of educational materials. A software-as-a-service startup downloaded and embedded Wistia videos into their application using the API. This integration bypassed direct downloads while allowing seamless content embedding, resulting in a 40% increase in user engagement according to their analytics. A nonprofit organization used Wistia's shareable links for temporary downloads of awareness videos. Permissions were set to expire after 24 hours, allowing targeted sharing while preventing unauthorized redistribution of their advocacy content. These diverse examples highlight how Wistia's download and export functionalities serve various industries, from enterprise marketing to education, startups, and nonprofit advocacy, adapting to different security and integration needs. Looking ahead, experts predict more API-driven exports and potential real-time collaboration features for Wistia. The platform may expand mobile-native downloads and adopt Web3 standards for decentralized content ownership. However, stricter regulations could limit easy downloads, pushing towards subscription-based models. Industry analysts note Wistia's strong permission model, but criticize the lack of free download options compared to competitors. Wistia is expected to prioritize enterprise needs, with free tiers becoming more restrictive. As always, refer to Wistia's official documentation at wistia.com/docs for the most up-to-date information.